Thanks for joining us today. I'm Marlon Bowling, your tour guide to the ag commodities. Well, on our tour today, I want to include some new ethanol production numbers. They just came out. Let's see if we increased in production or not. Well, we actually went backwards this past week, down to 1.003 million barrels per day. That would be a decline of 33,000 barrels a day, but still above a million, so it does have that going for it. The 4-week average, 1.027 million barrels per day, and the ethanol stocks did decline. So that would be a friendly number, down 600,000 barrels to 25.9 million. Well, as we take a look at our prices here, last time we checked, you know, the prices had turned around and gone higher after a lower open. Now they're back lower again. So the yo-yo continues here. The May corn down 5 3/4 now at 7.54. And December new crop corn dropping by 2 3/4 cents, still above $7 at 7.03 3/4 per bushel. With our quotes provided by bar chart, let's check out soybeans, and we have the May contract 9.5 lower again at 16.21.5. Had a high of 16.43. November is down 11 1/4 now at 14.44.5. Well, now it's only 2 ticks from our low of the day, so the choppiness continues. In the wheat in Chicago, May now down 6 3/4 at 10.38.5. You have your July contract down 5 3/4 cents. Now in Kansas City, you have May down 3 1/4 at 10.79.5. Look at that range on that thing, 34 cents wide on that trading range. July is down 3 1/4, and let's take a look at spring wheat. We're down 4 1/4 on the May at 11.07.5, and July down 4 cents. Let's bring in Todd Bubba Horowitz at BubbaTrading.com, and boy, the choppiness in the grains. It really makes one confused as far as what the market wants to do. What is that telling you? Just stay away or what?
Well, no, listen, I think they're going a lot higher, Marlon. Nothing has really changed except for the trading activity, which, you know, if we look around at all markets, volume has disappeared. Okay, the entire market structure has gone into zero trading. There's no action. But the prices indicate that they want to go significantly higher, and I don't think that has changed. I think you've seen every selling opportunity has been nothing more than a buying opportunity. So every time they sell them off, the buyers come back and push them higher. And if you look at a straight chart pattern, I mean, the corn's going sideways, which means that it's ready to break to the upside. Wheat had a little bit of a pullback. I mean, soybean had a little bit of a pullback, and wheat's still a little bit negative here. But we have to remember that wheat went up 40% in a week. So, you know, everything's kind of resolving itself out. But overall, a month from now, I think we'll be higher for quite a while here. I think we're going to see a run at the highs of all-time highs across the board.
Do you think the emphasis is going to be switching now to the new crop months across the board?
Not yet. I think that you're still obviously seeing some trade here, but it will move that way. And of course, you know, if we look at the formations, we're in, you know, backwardation, which is not a surprise with what's going on in the geopolitical world. But I think they will, like last year at this very similar time, they all caught up in the back months. I think that'll be very similar here, and I think probably in the next month or so, we'll start to see a big move towards new crops. So I think we will see that happen, but just not quite as quickly as we might think.
Okay, well, great stuff. Thank you, Todd, for talking with us. Todd Bubba Horowitz of BubbaTrading.com in Chicago. We'll be back and take a look at our livestock trade next.